Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ayeshasfoodfunfusion. Today we are going to share with you the recipe of brain masala. You can try this recipe in your Sahri and Iftari time because it is a jhatpat or instant recipe. I hope you definitely try this recipe. If you like our recipes, please like, subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for my latest videos. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There are two steps in the brain masala. First we teach you how to clean and wash the brain and then we cook it. For brain masala we use 2 brains. Now we wash it. Half a liter of water in a pan. We boil it. Now we add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. At this point we add brain. Just a minute and then we remove it from the water. In this process we can easily remove the smell of the brain and we can easily clean the brain. Watch our full video. Don't skip any. There are some important steps or tips in every recipe, so don't skip the recipe so you can easily make this recipe at your home and enjoy this recipe. The brain in a plate and discard its water. After boiling and cleaning the vein, now the brain is ready to cook. Now it is completely clean. We add half a cup of oil in a kadahi. We add 2 medium thinly sliced onion. Cook it until the onion light golden on medium flame. The onion, continuously stir it so the onion evenly gets the golden color and cook it on medium flame, not on high or not on low flame. As the onion turns light golden, we add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic paste. We mix it and cook it until the ginger garlic paste fully cooked. Now we add 3 medium peeled and seedless tomatoes. Now we cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes become soft and then we add spices. The tomatoes become soft, we add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of coriander powder. Now we mix it so the spice is fully cooked. The fragrance is so amazing and so tempting. It looks so yummy. Now we add the red chili powder, which is 2 teaspoons or as per taste. This red chili powder gives it a nice red color and also enhance its flavor. Now we mix it and then we add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. It saves them spices from burn. And also make a smooth gravy that we need for our brain masala. Mashallah, delicious gravy for brain masala is ready. At this stage, we add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste. We give it just a mix and then we add boiled brain. Which we have already cleaned and boiled with turmeric powder. Now we handle the brain delicately so it is fully cooked. So yummy, so tasty. The fragrance is so amazing. I hope you definitely try this recipe. Please remember us in your prayers and make this chatpat instant brain masala for your sehri and for your iftar dinner. Mashallah, it looks so yummy, so tempting. For garnishing, we add this stage 2 green chillis, finely chopped coriander leaves, and also some thinly sliced ginger. Wow, it looks so yummy, so tempting. Now we cover the lid, turn off the stove for just a minute and then we serve.